both of these infant carriers, the Avionaut Pixel Pro and the Avionaut Cosmo, can be used on Isofix base, but you don't have to buy the Isofix base. It is an optional extra. And it may also be the case sometimes that you need to use your car seat in somebody else's car when the base is in yours. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install these car seats with the seatbelt. To show you how to put the Cosmo infant carrier into the car, I've put a small little 40 centimeter baby doll in the seat. And this doll is 40 centimeters, which is the approved height that this car seat can be used from. Place the seat in the car at the correct angle. If it's too upright, the baby's head will fall forward and that won't be safe. And also don't be tempted to over recline it thinking that your baby's going to get a better sleep, because that's not safe either. It has to be at the 45-degree angle where the backrest is like that. Then move the carry handle out of the way by pressing the buttons here at the base of the handle, just because it makes it easier to lean over the seat to buckle the belt in. Then pull out the seat belt and hook it under the first green hook on the side nearest to the door, and then pass it under the other hook on the other side and buckle it in. Then I always like to put my foot in the car's footwell and push into the seat with my knee whilst pulling the belt tight. Give it a bit of a wiggle. That removes all the slack from the lap belt, and then you wrap the diagonal belt around the back. And there is a green belt guide on the back of the car seat that the seat belt has to hook into, and you have to slide it in from the top like this. And then I like to pull the belt really tight just to pull all the slack out of it. And I do that by placing one hand on the edge of the seat, and then with the other hand I'll pull the belt really tight whilst pushing the seat in the opposite direction. So you go like this and you get quite a little bit of slack still out of it, and then it's really secure. And then the final step is to put the carry handle in the upright position. Press these buttons here at the base of the carry handle on both sides at the same time and sit the handle up until it clicks into place. To remove the Avionaut Cosmo from the car, the easiest thing is to fold the carry handle out of the way over the baby's head, then unbuckle the seatbelt, and then take the seatbelt out of the green guide on the back of the car seat. I'm just going to turn it sideways to show you what that looks like. Slide it out of here. You wouldn't normally turn the seat, I'm just doing it, otherwise you can't see it on the camera. Take the seatbelt over the baby's car seat and out of the hooks on the top of it, and then sit the carry handle back up, and that's the seat removed from the car. Thank you very much for watching from both me and my baby. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.